you ever turn on your yard hydrant and the water barely drips out? You go to your faucet, you pull up the handle, and the handle sags. When it sags, it drops down and it cuts off the supply of the water. And you turn on your hose, and there you see the water is just barely dribbling out. Well, you can't really do much with that. What's the best way to fix this? And quick, easy, and cheap. Cut off a piece of PVC that'll just fit under the handle and support the handle in a fully upright position. I used wood before, I used bamboo. It cracked, it rotted, so it didn't work. This is the best way to PVC, will be total fix. Turn on your hose and there you go, you have full pressure now. Now as long as the handle stays up, your pressure will be up. So you don't have to keep going back and adjusting it. Success. After you're done your watering, you can just go back, lift up on a handle, pull out your pipe, put it down next to the hydrant, and you're all set, ready for next time. Thanks for watching.